Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace side view mirror glass on your Honda CR-V. First, let's get ready. You'll need a few basic tools, such as a plastic pry tool to protect your vehicle's paint and a flat blade screwdriver. Make sure you have the exact replacement mirror glass for your specific CR-V model. Always work in a safe, well-lit area with your vehicle turned off. Now, let's remove the broken glass. Use your mirror controls to tilt the mirror as far inward as possible, creating a gap on the outer edge. Carefully insert your plastic pry tool into this gap. Gently apply pressure to release the clips holding the glass. If your mirror is heated or has blind spot detection, you will see one or two electrical connectors. Carefully disconnect these. With the old glass removed, it's time for the new one. First, if your mirror has electrical connections for heating or other functions, carefully plug them into the new mirror glass. Then, align the new mirror glass with the circular mounting plate. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until you hear it click securely into position. Ensure all clips are fully engaged for a stable fit. Finally, let's perform some quick checks. Turn on your vehicle and test the mirror's electronic adjustments, moving it up, down, left, and right. If your mirror is heated, ensure that function is operational. Give the mirror a gentle push to confirm it's securely seated and doesn't wobble. A quick clean with glass cleaner will give you a perfectly clear view. You've successfully replaced your side view mirror glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.